Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mail with Entrepreneur Freedom, where I show you great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or to even start one. In today's video, we're looking at Semantic Pen AI. It's a writing tool that helps you write and publish articles to your WordPress or your Webflow website. This is a really good, powerful tool, and we're going to look at the features of this tool. I've been using it and I love it, and I think that you will too. So let's jump right into this. Okay, so we're on the home page. It gives you basically information about it. And again, this has a really good UX design. So it makes it a lot easier for people to use. So just letting you know. So you can write high-end quality articles, real-time data integrations. It also does AI video, and it also brings in YouTube video links. It does external links and internal links. You can do customized writing styles, which we'll go into the features and look at. You can do customized Outlook articles. You can do, it has also built-in AI SEO optimizing too, and multiple different models you can use to write. It also can convert YouTube videos into articles, and it can also help you write product reviews with using a URL from Amazon. Okay, so let's jump right into this and look at the features. Okay. So when you log in, you are on the dashboard. This is what the dashboard looks like. It's very simple and easy. It tells you what subscription you have, if you have an LTD, which I will put the link for the LTD at the bottom of this video. And also, if you missed it, I will have the link to where you can get this as well. It tells you a description, and it has credits, which I'll go into more about how the one-time credits work. And then cost, unlimited if you have LTD. So this basically has different types of ways you can use this tool to purchase this tool. Again, they have LTD, they have credits, and you can do a subscription. Okay, and we'll go more into details at the end of this video. Okay, so it has a quick mode. A quick mode is very simple. If you want to write an article real quickly and then maybe look at it and change some stuff on, you could do that. You can do it in multiple languages, which I love because a lot of platforms don't have multiple languages when they first come out. You can put your keywords in here. So if you're using a key research and you have multiple words you want to rank, you can put that in here to write the article. And if you don't have a article title, it will help you generate one as well. Okay. And also I love this feature because you could choose what you want. You can choose to automatically add a video or image, and you can change different sizes, which I like a lot. And this is just a quick mode, okay? So if you just want to add an image, you can do 1-2 images, and you can decide what sizes you want. And I like that feature because when I upload an article to my WordPress website, I have to change the image size. So this saves me a lot of work. And then the videos, it will help you find videos to your article. You could do 1 video, 2 video. I like to put 1 video in my article because some people like visual. They'll read the article, but they want to see more in depth about the article. Okay, so people like to watch a video that corresponds with your article. Content settings. This is very simple and easy. This is different ways you can write the article. SEO, casual, friendly. A lot of platforms have this. I like that it has dehumanization in there because a lot of softwares don't have that yet. They're starting to add it. This software added it right away. You can do third person, second person, whatever way you want to write that's well. And you can do SEO tags. Now SEO tags is really good to have because sometimes it picks up on YouTube when it's people looking for certain things. Okay. And then we have, this is one of the greatest things I like, is because the article structure. So you can actually add a table of content. I know there's a website out there, sorry, a tool out there that automatically puts that in there. But this one you can put it in, or you can shut it off. Some articles people like to write introductions. You can add that in there or not. I love the key takeaway. I'm going to start using this because I think that a lot of people are using F and Q. And I think that if you do a key takeaway, it stands out differently when it comes to Google ranking. And Google changed their algorithm, and it really hurt a lot of blog writers. So there are tools out there that's trying to improve that, so you can still use AI and rank. Okay, so I think key takeaway is one of the good things. I've seen a lot of articles with key takeaways, and instead of using F and Q. So I'm going to start using key takeaways. But I love that because I have not seen any software yet that has key takeaway. If there is one, I'm mistaken, please comment. I'll take a look at that software and maybe do a review on that software as well for their features. So you can disable, you can put conclusion, you can disable if you want it, or you can do outline builder and you can disable that as well. So that's the great thing about this. It gives you so many different features just on a quick mode of writing a quick article. So let's jump into pro mode. Pro mode is more in depth. So this is one thing I like about this article software is that you can create preset settings in this, and then if you're writing for multiple companies, if you're a blog writer, you're writing for multiple companies, you could do presets. You can go in here and choose that preset, and it'll have all the settings that you need to write the article for that particular client or customer, whatever you're doing. So this is, I like this feature. You can save as many as you want. Now, in pro mode, you have the choice of choosing the model. So they have ChatGPT Mini, they have, which is new. They have ChatGPT 3.5, and they have Genesis 1.5 Flash, and they, 1.5 Flash, and they have ChatGPT 0. So they have the new current technology. Now, I don't see Claude, which I'm hoping they add it in here because Claude is, I love writing with Claude. I think it writes a little better than ChatGPT. So again, I'll show you where you can actually request that feature inside here. It also has in English, and again, multiple languages. And you can put your keywords here, and you can generate the title in here, which is good. And then with the pro mode, you can give it a prompt. So for instance, if you want this article to write in 8th grade or 9th grade level, put that prompt in here. Please make sure you write this in like you're giving ChatGPT a prompt. I haven't seen anything that you can create a prompt inside your writing. You write the article and that is it. Or you give it, like ChatGPT, you give it a prompt and it writes the article. This is incredible. That is a really good feature to have. And it has optimizing. So this is basically, you can optimize it using SEO. Okay. It also has images and videos, which we looked at before in the quick mode. The content settings, which again we looked at the quick mode, but this is good because you can determine how big the article you want it to be. I love using another tool with this tool, which is NoWriter. NoWriter helps me with my keyword research. It also helps me determine how big my article should be to be the top ranking person in Google. So this is great when you can choose the size of the article. You can choose short, long. It can tell you how many headers you have. This is a really good feature. It also has the prompt. Again, you can give it a prompt and tell it what it should write. It also has customized outline. You can put a customized outline in here. You can generate your generate your customized outline in the global content. You can add that for keywords. You can also put the tag words in here as well. It also has the format, so you can do it in tab or tables or bold. It also has the same thing again, where you can do takeaways, you can do table contents, F&Q. You can do all of that. And again, you can set this up and then save those settings and use it over and over again without having to redo and putting all this information. Great feature. And it also has external links. So if you want to, you can automatically pull in external links, or you can add your own. And it does internal links. So if you have articles from your website, you want to add to the mirrors off the article you're writing, you can put that in there and then turn it, and you can put that in there and it'll actually go in there and grab the links for you. You can also do a call to action, which I like. There's not many of them. You can actually do a call to action. So if you're doing an article for your Amazon or whatever, you can actually put a call to action. Great feature to have. And then the knowledge base, of course, you can put that information here to let it write in your style. So you can put more writing in here so it can write that particular style that you want it to write. So really great feature. And then it has the SEO tool right here. Again, sorry, let me go back. It kind of went out of whack. You can go in here and put your keywords in your keywords right here. Okay. So it also has a YouTube article writer. So you can take a YouTube video and you can place it in here. And again, you can use this settings and set it up to where it's always writing that particular way, or settings, it makes it easier. So if you're a person who wants to take the YouTube videos and turn them to articles, this is a great thing to use because you can set it up here and you can use it all the time. And again, you can take a YouTube here, put your link here, URL link. You can choose what module you want to do. Again, you can do English. It can create a title for you. You can put your keywords. So if you have certain keywords on the YouTube channel, in your keywords research, you can copy those words and put them in here. It makes it easier. You can do the SEO optimizing. Again, you can add your video here, so you can actually add your video into here that you want into your videos, into your article, so it can link it so people can see that. Again, it has the content settings. Again, you can choose the sizes and how you want to write the article: professional, third view, point, second view, whatever you want to use. And then you can add a article tag. It does again. You can do bold, and you can do table, and then you can do your tables, or if you want to do takeaways or F&Q, you can do that as well. So that's what's in YouTube. And again, this is really good because if you're trying to convert your articles into your YouTube videos and articles, you can set it up and then you can go in here and then just add your thing in there and then run it. Now, if you are an affiliate marketer who writes articles on products like Amazon, this is really good. You can take the article, the Amazon product here, put it in here. Again, you can create the settings. So if you're writing articles for multiple sites, so for instance, I have a website that's for electronics. So I would set this here and I would say, this is how I want it. I want to do a review of, I want to do article based on that website. I can set it up in here and only write articles look in particular for that type of website. So again, you have all the same features as before, which I'm not going to go deep again because this is like the third time I'm going through it. But again, you can choose a different mods. You can choose your keywords. You can add the tag word. So if you want to add a tag, you can do that. You can add your keywords. You can generate a title if you don't have one. You can put your focus keywords from the article, so you can give it a prompt again, and you can do your videos. You can do the content settings, and you can do the format, and then you can do article strategy. So this is really, really, really good because again, it gives you all the standard features across the board for all type of articles you're writing. That is amazing. Great features, great features, great features. Okay. So another feature it has article. This is where all your articles are written, and you can set this up any way you want. You can set it up to a box, or you can set it up to like a list. I like lists, and you can sort it from A to B. And that's one thing I like about it, because some platforms don't have that. You can search for your article. They did a really, really good job when it comes to your URL design. And you can sort it. You can sort it from Amazon products. You can do it for YouTube. You can do Pro or Quick. So you can sort these and make, if you're looking for certain articles. Okay. Very simple, very easy. And you can create articles through here as well. Okay, let me move myself over. Okay, so another thing I like too that the UX design and the features has, like when they do something new, they put it right there. What's new? It tells you what's new. You know, your PDF download options, you download to doc. They tell you what the new updates are right here. And I'll show you where the roadmap is, because I love roadmaps. And then request features. You can request features here. So you can go in here and you can vote on features, or you can add new ones, or you can click on and vote. It's the same standard way like everybody does. You vote on stuff and see what they do, and whatever has the highest, they will probably look at it and say, okay, can we do this? Again, they will do that. Okay. And another thing is your settings here. This is where you can put your own open AP code in, so you can use it and you can connect it. So that's really, really good. And then here's where you can integrate your WordPress website. So you put the name of your website, you can put your user and your website, and then you put your password where you'll get in the user word. When you log into WordPress, you go to user, you can create a password for this. So every password is different and you can name it. Okay. And you can save it. I tested it. It does upload it to your WordPress website very, very fast. You just you have to set it up, and you can do that. And your personal, so this is basically personal branding. If you want to put your website, URL, your name of your website, you can do that as well. And again, here's your API code here, and then your account tells you what you have, what kind of plan you have on your. And again, remember I was telling you that you could add this to your the web flow. You can actually connect this to your web flow. I've only seen a few. Actually, I haven't seen anything except WordPress integration. So this is pretty cool that this has that. You can, if your person use Webflow sites, you can actually integrate this with Webflow sites. Again, I only seen a lot of them integrated with WordPress. So this is really good. So I'm hoping that as he grows, he adds other things like, Wix and all that stuff for people to use, because this will be a real game changer for people to be able to upload their articles. Again, there might be tools out there that does that more than just WordPress, but as far as the ones I used in the past and still use, I only see WordPress. Okay. So that's what that. So let's jump into the roadmap. So this is the roadmap. Again, is based on what they vote. So right now you can see the URL to articles. So that's what they're doing is be able to take a URL to create an article. So if you have a certain website URL you want to create an article for, you can. They're working on that feature right now. So right now they have a few plans. As you can see, the nighttime scheduler, so it can schedule. It's a scheduler. They have a WP feature image, which yes. They don't have, you have, when you upload your article, you have to, of course in WordPress, you have to make sure it has a feature image. This doesn't do it right now, but eventually will. I haven't seen any writing tool that does that. You still got to go in. I use one particular tool to write articles, and I know that I have to go in and add a feature image because every WordPress theme is different. Okay, sometimes they don't work together, so you have to go in and add your own feature image. So hopefully, if they figure this out, this would be really game changer, because this saves a lot of time. You say so. And then it has integration. So they're working on different type. They're planning on integrations. The feedback, here's the feedback, so you can look at what people are saying, and you can actually comment on the feedback. They want as much information to make it better. Okay, so give a lot of feedback. And again, here's NoahWriter. Everybody's asking about, can you integrate NoahWriter API? I use NoahWriter a lot. So, but I use it because for the SEO tool. I haven't used this one SEO because I use NoahWriter for my SEO, which I will test for myself to see if it's really what's the difference between NoahWriter's SEO and their SEO, and which one's stronger. I've been using NoahWriter's SEO to basically find out what my rankings are for my competition when I'm doing my articles. So I would, if I would be using this together, get my keywords from NoahWriter, create my title with NoahWriter, see how strong it is, and then using that title and using the keywords inside this platform to write an article. And I did that. And I did that with the test article here. Let me show you. This article here, I did it with, and I uploaded it to my WordPress website, and I have a SEO tool to help me with my rankings, and it's called Rank Math. I'll leave a link at the bottom for you if you want to use that plugin. It's a really powerful plugin. And when I usually upload an article to my WordPress using other writing tools, it gives me like a 60 or a 70. With this tool, when I wrote the article and uploaded it, it gave me an 83, which is, I was like, oh, that's good. That's really good. And that's before I put the metadata in and all that. It gave me an 83 score, a score of 83. You know that when you're writing blog articles, you want to have 80 and above. It's good to have 80 and above. It gave me an 83. And that's before I put the metadata in and the description title so it could be found on Google. So I was very, very impressed with the writing. And it was really, and I even tested it on some other things. Again, these features, it's a good, powerful tool. The UX design is very clean. So if you're looking for a really good writing tool, this is really good. Now, they changed things. What they did, they updated it. They have a change log. So what they've updated. So as you can see that they're constantly busy changing stuff. So they did one August 4th. They did one August 3rd. They did one August 2nd. So they're constantly working on improving this software. So if you are a type of person who is looking for a good writing tool that's not going to fail you, that's going to be around for a long time, again, this is going to be around for a long time. It's a very powerful tool. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. Okay, so there is an LTD out there. I don't know. I will have the link at the bottom. I don't know if it ended or not, but we're gonna go into the pricing here. Now they have they have 3 tiers. Okay, they have a 17, 37, and a 47. So with the 17, you get 150 credits. Now you're using about 3 credits per article, roughly. So it's 50 articles per month. You get unlimited WordPress per month. You get AI images and YouTube videos in embeds, and you get WordPress integration. Now, I'm going to show you something which is pretty cool in a second. So you get all this now with the tier, which basically is a $17. The $37 plan, you get the real-time factual data included, and you get live Amazon data affiliate articles. So that's what you get in that one. Let me move myself over. And in the $47 plan, you get, sorry, let me go back here. You get 450 credits per month, which is about roughly about 150 articles, okay, in the starter plan, which is 37 a month. The professional, you get 900 credits a month. You get about 300 articles a month. It depends on the size you're writing, most likely. And then unlimited words. So I'll take that back. So it doesn't matter what words. It's basically up to 300 articles, basically divided into that is about 300 articles. You get unlimited words, which is really good because some places limited words you can do per article. You get real-time factual data. You get the AI and YouTube integrations. And with this one, if you do a professional, you get the internal linking and external linking. You get the custom API. So if you want to use your own API, you can do that. It's coming soon. And you do the automated pilot, which is coming soon. So that's what you get for $47. Now, if you don't want to do a subscription, they have a credit plan, which I thought was really cool. So if you are a person who doesn't like write blogs every week or write maybe 2 or 3 blogs a week or whatever, you don't need a lot, you can actually buy credits with this, okay? And you get everything, you get 400 credits for $87. You pay for it, they don't expire. Great thing. But the great thing is that you don't have to have a subscription to be able to integrate it with WordPress. Now, there's 2 tools out there which I really like using, but I didn't use it I didn't want to buy a subscription. I wanted to use the credits. But you cannot integrate it with WordPress unless you had a subscription. So I never bought it. So when I seen this, I was like, oh, this is freaking cool because this is a really good feature. Okay, so if you're a person who don't write a lot and just needs to buy credits, you can have 400. You can buy 400 credits. Remember, you'll use 3 credits, around 3 credits per article. Okay, just to let you know that. So you get about 100 articles out of this. But again, you can integrate it into WordPress without having a subscription. So they have 3 plans. They have an $87 one, you get 400. They have a $327, which is the silver, you get 1,600 credits, and then they have the gold plan, which is 4,000 credits. So you can basically buy these credits and write articles without having to worry about anything. Okay, so again, you can integrate it into WordPress, and it still gives you live data for affiliate, and it gives you AI up and YouTube, and it gives you real-time fact. So again, if you are a person who want to just write articles and want to get pretty much all these features and just want to write articles, I say grab the $87 or do the $37 plan. Again, if it's all up to you what you need, but they have this is a really, really powerful tool. As you can see, it has some really good features. Okay, so if you're looking for a great article writer and that's going to help you, that has a really easy UX design, then this is going to be the one. So Semantic is going to be the the software that's going to help you write. They have some really good features. As you know, I love something that's simple and easy with great features, and this has great features. And they have a really good roadmap. They're going to be around for a long time. And the founder does answer. So if you join their Facebook group and ask questions, they're going to respond back to you. I've asked some questions, and they responded quickly, very quickly. So Semantic Pen AI is a great tool for writing, okay? And if you are looking to get this, I will put the link, and I will also have the LTD link at the bottom. If it's still going, I'll put it in there, okay? So this is Michael Mail reviewing the features of Semantic Pen AI. And if you want a great tool, this is it. So again, this is Michael Mail with Entrepreneur Freedom. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.